Bullish Algorand, Algo, cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $1.09 and $2.06 by 2030. Market investigators accept Algo could reach $0.848067 by 2025. Bearish Algorand market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.193844. Algorand, Algo, presentation. The Algorand, Algo, cryptographic money has experienced issues ascending past its ICO value since its beginning in 2019, when the blockchain collaborated with Coinbase to foster El Salvador's Digital Money Foundation. The cost of Algo flooded in September 2021. In spite of the fact that it has in this manner lost most of these additions, experts and sites that estimate costs are hopeful that it will one day again arrive at comparative levels. What follows for the altcoin, then? We should analyze the Algorand blockchain's activity in additional profundity and look at its cost improvement. What is Algorand, Algo? The Algorand blockchain, which expects to answer the catch-22 of safety, speed, and decentralization, involves Algo as its local cash. Algorand achieves this objective by making and approving its blocks through an agreement procedure called unadulterated evidence of stake. How much Algo a client wagers influences how haphazardly the block chief and approval council are picked. Algorand was laid out in 2017 by teacher Silvio Macaulay of the Massachusetts Foundation of Innovation, MIT, in the US, and its blockchain and nearby cache appeared in June 2019. The Algo coin cost in a split second fell a day after presentation. Algorand, Algo, principal examination. In June 2019, Algo sent off its underlying coin offering with a $2.40 sticker price. Value tumbled to $2.16 on June 22, the principal day of exchange. This was just the beginning as the value continued to decline throughout the following months, hitting a low of 19 cents on September 27, 2019. This crash happened for different causes. The first was the 10 billion symbolic stockpile that would be conveyed slowly. Algorand said that 3 billion Algo will be sold at public sale throughout the span of the initial 5 years following the organization's foundation. Notwithstanding the elevated degree of public premium, the market couldn't deal with the monstrous measure of Algo and financial backers' $24 billion valuation. One more possible calculate the breakdown of the value of Algo's money was private financial backers. Financial backers bought Algo by means of private situation adjusts, which fixed the coin's cost somewhere in the range of 5 cents and 50 cents. At the point when the token was delivered, it had a worth of $2.16, permitting individual financial backers to make critical increases. Previous Algorand establishment tasks boss Chen Fangfang addressed a letter to the monetary local area. The letter guaranteed that early benefactors had presented the drive to unnecessary dangers by undercutting and unloading coins, as per worldwide coin exploration. Algorand, Algo, specialized investigation. Subsequent to being added to Coinbase, the cost of Algo's cash expanded. It was one of the swiftest on the stage, as indicated by Algorand. At the point when the news was delivered, the cost had ascended about 30 cents. Throughout the span of the accompanying year and a half of exchange, Algo attempted to get past the 50 cents edge, not to mention outperform its underlying cost. In spite of a couple of increments, the cash began seeing a bullish pattern toward the start of 2021. All through the year the token supported this development, at last hitting a long-term high of $1.71. Like the previous cost fall of Algo, various variables could have caused this increment. Stablecoin interest was the first. Stablecoins consolidate the consistent quality of government-issued money with the decentralized attributes of digital currencies. Algorand has arisen as a serious option for stablecoin backers, since Ethereum has costly gas costs. Through a coordinated effort with the momentary currency market exchanging stage Instamach worldwide, Algorand was likewise standing out. Algorand took care of millions of dollars of exchanges like clockwork. Algorand, Algo, current cost. Algorand is as of now worth $0.242310 United States dollars. Algo has moved 0.36% as of now with an exchanging volume of $50,453,054. Algorand is as of now position 37 among all cryptographic forms of money, with a market capitalization of $1,751,805,821 United States dollars. Using the general strength record, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling disparity, MACD, from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Algorand, Algo, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize constant Algorand, Algo, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. Algorand, Algo, Value Forecast 2023. Algorand, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. Algo. The Algo cost conjecture for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $0.363439. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady. However, no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0.339210 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is plausible soon, given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Algo is supposed to have a base worth of $0.290752. Algorand, Algo, Value Expectation 2024. Of every 2024, Algorand Algo cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Algo will before long outperform $0.605732. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the Algo's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Algo will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.484586 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.533044. Algorand, Algo, Value Expectation 2025, assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.848025, and Algo might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Algo is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.775337 and a low of $0.726879 in 2025. Algorand, Algo, Value Forecast 2026. In the event that Algorand effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money fans, the Algo coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Algo will be green in 2026. The Algo is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $1.09, with a base cost of $0.9691722 and a typical cost of $1.02. Algorand, Algo, Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Algo cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.26 by 2027, with a base cost of $1.21 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Algo has a most extreme value worth of $1.33. Algorand, Algo, Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $1.50. On the off chance that Algo figures out how to break the safe level in